Okay, time for day 88. And Mary's back, of course. James?
Sam.
Hello.
I saw you on the hall right next to this car. How are you late?
I was with that.
Okay, I think. I mean, someone had a Wii board, so maybe.
Hello, Tony.
My mom said that your mom thought you were doing something wrong, like on the second half when we started doing it all because you guys like switched it. And I was like, yeah, she thought we were doing it. So
Hello, Carlo Romano.
oh really? Yes. Our cosplay temporary is so difficult. It's so fun. The amount of yeah, I fell out of my table. Yeah, that was embarrassing. That was embarrassing.
Exactly. Like,
My parents were like, you have to get your turns together tonight, or we will take extreme measures. And I was like, I did all my other changes. It looked really good. Oh my gosh, wait, the video is fine. Yeah, I haven't seen it. My parents cried after military. Why?
Here you go, Mary.
Because we compete in 2 weeks.
Awesome.
She said military hasn't been looking good and then we compete in 2
network's
weeks.
administrators noticed the
And she was like,
They weren't, they didn't block my crash. But they did like they would exit out of the crash.
How did that fit?
Here you go, Tony. All right, thank you.
oh, I never finished.
Hello, Alberto.
Did you guys do it in tables or by yourself? Yeah, I don't think you're going to be watching that unless you're on the Aztec table. Cross your fingers. She assigned
There we go.
well, since you were gone, she'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gone. Hey, I was gone. Just the brochure for Aztec. Because in the assignment it doesn't say it's a
Yeah.
table.
It doesn't
So,
that is teacher. Is everything over? Like, did we do all of it?
here, I was going to open it. Take a look.
We got every like aspect. The only thing we really could do was just develop everything that it wanted.
Like, animate?
Like we could do like an
Looking kid. You? I was trying to
Yeah.
You do?
Hello, Vicky.
So like make the
What can I sort of like add more?
Like, here's one for like every
Like, we could do we have the character concept art for Ren, but we could finish it for
Bennett, I see.
them.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
He's like ski and straws before the marshmallow, and then he just
I love his shoes.
eats the entire thing.
I love his shoes. The level design concept you made is so good. Can I see? Oh yeah. That is awesome.
I don't know if we should make it bigger.
Yeah, bro, make mine small. Yours would actually like looks good. I gotta make that thing.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Hello, Greg.
The marshmallow looks like ice cream.
Hello to you too, Quinn.
Yeah. Dang. I was going for some sort of like
I
totally
love
crazy
it. Looks so good.
food truck art.
That's so awesome.
The bear.
Yeah, for the marshmallow.
No, absolutely. You know, I would help with the next character design, but
So I was going to add some more.
I can try having.
I could make some more music. Wait, I'll
Here you go, Carla Romano.
Is this the theme song?
Awesome.
I was
Thank you.
planning, well, I was thinking it was like really sad. Like he would be running through the cave all happy, right? But then he like gets in a cut or something, so he gets like scared.
Okay, I'm gonna add that to the show. You want people to know what?
Should I add that other song I made like a while ago?
The opening song. Yes.
I'm gonna try and remake that one that I love. I actually really
So this is for if he's running through the cave.
like after he's like scared or something.
This part's so good. Once it hits the third section, it's just like
Was 30 seconds long.
like our plot.
Like,
Yeah.
maybe 15 seconds.
Do you think you're playing around on pictures?
Yeah, did you make those noises? Does it work?
No, it doesn't work. I'm gonna die.
That's what's so good. I'm gonna cry.
If you need something to say that, you definitely have a
I wish
Here you go, Quinn.
record myself.
All right.
Really have,
Thank you.
like, the music in my mind, but I don't know how to.
The URL for today's song is so long. It's just like so insane. There's a character
What about you? So I know. It's just
Do you want a name?
yeah.
Should we name him Ben? Ben. No.
Here you go, Alberto. Awesome.
There's your lovely character right there.
I did.
Oh yeah, we need animation.
There we go. I finally remembered to put the blueberry syrup on this pancake. Here you go, Vicky. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
And here's your food, Greg. Awesome, thank you.
Unless you want me to make the character that the player plays as.
All right, I'm a hot cake hero. Awesome.